Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to unbox this new tripod 3366S, and it will cost you around 800 rupees on Flipkart, and it is also available on other website, but I will provide you the link of Flipkart in description. So here, as you can see, the features of this tripod, and it is very strong as compared to my old tripod. So I have unboxed it around 2 or 3 years back, so I will provide its link in description, and let us check out the features of this tripod. So here, as you can see, loading and unloading panel is available, and here, as you can see, portable handheld handle, so it is easy to carry. And here, as you can see, the hook using method is also available, and here you can see the legs of this tripod. So foot pipe wrench is available, and at the bottom you can see rubber stopper. In previous tripod it is not available because that was cheaper, and that was made up of aluminum. I think this is made up of steel. So this is some another information, you can read it, and it shows price is around 4000 rupees, but I have got it at around 800 rupees. If you want, then you can read these instructions, and here you can see some more information about it. So here, 3-dimensional cloud platform is available, and I have already told you about this. And here dual axis is available, so you can remove and adjust. So here you can see the weight of tripod, and here some details. So let us open it and let us check inside what are available. So you can read these instructions if you are a beginner, so read this carefully. So I have already read this. So let me open the tripod. So let me take this out from this box, guys. So it is also given a protector cover. So here, as you can see, so it will protect you from the rain. So let me take out this. So its normal length is 55 inch. Here, as you can see, the tripod, and inside box they have given some more things. So let me take out these things. So they have provided these things. So here you can set up your mobile phone, so it will extend if you put your mobile in this. And here they have given some user card or something. So here they have given something, so later we will check this. So first we will take a look on our tripod. So here, as you can see, guys, it is inside this cover, and let me take out this. So here, as you can see, it is packed inside one plastic cover. So we will check out this. So guys, here, as you can see, this is the handle of the tripod, and here, as you can see, these are legs. So these are movable, so you can move this, and it will automatically fix on ground or floor, whatever it may. So here, as you can see, the area is not proper, but it is properly fixed here. And here hook system is available. So let me show you from the closer. So this is the closer look, and from here you can hold your tripod, and by using this handle you can extend it. So here, as you can see, so this is the handle, and you can do like this also. So you need to apply a little bit force, so after extending it you can lock it from here. So this screw is helpful to lock this, and here you can fix your mobile or whatever it may. I will show you later. And from here you can check the level of your floor, whether it is properly fixed or not, by the help of this bubble. And this is the handle to move it. So you can also use it for DSLR, and the quality is very good, and it is very strong, guys, as you can see. So guys, you have to fix your this mobile holder on this tool. So this is provided with tripod, and here, as you can see, one teeth. So it is for safety, so that it can't get rotated during recording videos or whatever it may. And I will show you how to insert. So firstly you have to keep it like this, and then you have to unlock this. So after doing like this, again you have to release this, so it will automatically lock and it won't come when recording the videos. And you have to lock here, and you have to rotate this handle so that it can be tightly fixed. And I will show you by extending this tripod. These are the legs, guys, here as you can see, and this is the second one and this is the third one. And here as you can see, this is hook hanger. So here as you can see, so you can hang anything. And this is the handle, guys, here as you can see, and this is the adjustment handle, so you can do like this and like this. So here as you can see the mechanism of this, so this will rotate 360 degrees. So if you want to adjust, then you can adjust. And here as you can see the tripod, so from here you can record your videos. And overall its height is around 5 or 6 feet, so it is around 6 feet, guys. So you can extend it like this. So here as you can see, from top to bottom I am showing. So again I will show you, so like this.